Welcome to Salar News Sprint. I'm Abubakar Siddiq. Let's watch the latest updates that made the headlines today. Chinese vessel enters the Indian Ocean without permission. The Chinese vessel Shiyan 6 has entered the Indian Ocean and is heading towards Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan Foreign Minister Ali Sabre has said that Colombo has not given permission to Chinese vessel as Indian security concerns were important to Sri Lanka. However, he added that negotiations were ongoing, but if the vessel followed Sri Lankan standard operating procedures, then there would be no issues. AFSPA extended in Manipur for 6 months amid unrest. On September 27, the Manipur government declared the entire state as a disturbed area under the strict Armed Forces Special Powers Act for a period of 6 months starting from October 1st. It will not be implemented in the jurisdictions of 19 police stations including capital Imphal. An IS officer, Rinku Dugga, who got involved in controversy last year after allegedly emptying a stadium on athletes to walk her dog, has been compulsorily retired by the government. Dugga has been retired compulsorily under Fundamental Rules 56J, Rule 48 of Central Civil Services, Pension Rules 1972 after an assessment of her service record. The government reserves the right to retire any government servant if it deems it to be in the public interest. BJP leaders protest against Karnataka government over Kaveri water release. On September 27, the BJP leaders protested in Bengaluru against the Karnataka government regarding the release of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu. Former CM B.S. Yediyurappa staged a sit-in near the Gandhi statue. Protesters raised slogans against CM Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar and called them agents of Tamil Nadu and DMK. More than 60 JDS leaders set to step down today due to alliance with BJP. Anticipate over 30,000 departures in the days ahead. More than 60 key figures from the JDS branch in Mysore city, encompassing the minority wing under the leadership of JDS State Secretary Abdul Khader Shahid, are assured to collectively submit their resignations. Their decision is a demonstration of their objection to the JDS forming the alliance with the BJP. This mass resignation has scheduled to take place today at NS Function Hall located on Shivaji Road in NR Mohalla, Mysore. Adani Ports to buy back another $195 million of bonds. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited will buy back as much as $195 million of its 2024 bond as it seeks to move on from the allegation raised by US firm Hindenburg. Out of $520 million principal outstanding, $325 million will be left after the buyback. This will be the Indian firm's second tender offer for the notes in just a few months. Malayalam survival drama 2018 selected as India's entry for Oscar 2024. The Film Federation of India has chosen the Malayalam film 2018 Everyone is a Hero for the Best Foreign Language Film category at the 96th Academy Awards. The movie explores the theme of climate change through the devastating floods that hit Kerala in 2018, claiming lives and displacing thousands. Asian Games Day 4, Rushubina Devi secures spot in Wushu final, assured of medal in men's double tennis. With the final entry into the women's 60 kg final, Wushu star Rushubina Devi made sure she would at least receive a silver medal. Ramkumar Ramanathan and Saket Mainini of India's men's double team assured the country of another medal by reaching the semi-finals, while the 18-year-old shooter Isha Singh claimed a silver medal in the women's individual 25-meter pistol event. With this, India has secured 22 medals in total over 4 days. World Tourism Day 2023. Promoting sustainable tourism for a better future. September 27, World Tourism Day highlights the importance of sustainable tourism and green investment for a better future. Government officials and industry leaders from 120 countries will gather in Riyadh to discuss the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Meta to signal future of AR/VR investments at Annual Connect Conference. Meta is scheduled to update investors on his plan to create the immersive metaverse that he has positioned as the future of computing. Announcements at Meta Connect. Meta's biggest event of the year will reveal how Zuckerberg intends to navigate this year's shift from augmented and virtual reality technologies to artificial intelligence. Thank you. These were the major news of the day. For more such latest updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.